What if one idea could change everything? Welcome to Accelerate Prosperity, a catalyst for entrepreneurial excellence across Central and South Asia. From Pakistan's vibrant energy, Tajikistan resilience, and Afghanistan's determination, to bold ideas rising in the heart of Kyrgyzstan. Since global launch, we've empowered thousands of entrepreneurs, equipped hundreds of startups, and unlocked millions in smart investments. Over 4,000 businesses joined our programs. Over 630 businesses got investments more than $15 million from Accelerate Prosperity Global. 7,700 plus new jobs created, many for women and youth, and over $52 million external investments raised. We provide what entrepreneurs need most: business traction, trainings, investment, networking. We build an ecosystem from early stage to future unicorns. From food production to clean tech. From creative industries to fintech. From tourism sector to global products. Accelerate Prosperity powers the next generation of changemakers. 1,800 jobs created. More than 100 businesses financed. More 1,400 businesses joined the programs. Accelerate Prosperity Kyrgyzstan invested over $3 million and helped to attract more than $17 million. Our alumni integrate STEM, launch green innovations, and promote Kyrgyzstan's talent across new markets, both regionally and globally. They increase number of women and young entrepreneurs. They become a role model for future generations. They start business. They scale fast. They are Kyrgyzstan startup stars. Through initiatives like the Prosperity Cup, Women Cup, and Youth Cup, we give startups the spotlight they deserve and a bridge to global opportunities. At Accelerate Prosperity, we don't just support startups, we empower bold visions, we build legacies. This is Accelerate Prosperity, and this is just the beginning.